Most people use Claude Code like a chatbot. Type a prompt, wait, type another. But Claude Code's interactive mode has dozens of hidden shortcuts, commands, and power features that most developers never discover. Today, I'm covering every important one. Let's start with the keyboard shortcuts that will save you the most time. Ctrl+C cancels the current generation. But here's one most people don't know. Ctrl+B backgrounds, a running task. If Claude is running a build or test suite that's taking forever, hit Ctrl+B and it keeps running in the background while you continue working. Shift+Tab cycles through permission modes, switching between auto accept, plan mode, and normal mode. Double press, escape to rewind or summarize from any point in your conversation. Ctrl+R opens reverse search to find previous commands. Alt+P switches models instantly without clearing your prompt. And Ctrl+G opens your current prompt in your default text editor, perfect for writing long, detailed instructions. Now the slash commands. These are game changers. Slash compact compresses your conversation when context gets large. You can even pass focus instructions like slash compact focus on the auth module. Slash context shows a visual grid of how much context you've used. Slash dive opens an interactive diff viewer showing uncommitted changes and per turn diffs. Slash rewind restores your code and conversation to a previous point, like Git checkpoints but for your entire Claude session. Slash model lets you switch models mid conversation. Slash fast toggles fast mode. Same Opus model but with faster output. Slash fork creates a branch of your current conversation so you can explore different approaches. And slash export saves your entire conversation as plain text. Bash mode is incredibly underrated. Start any input with an exclamation mark and it runs directly in your shell without Claude interpreting it. Exclamation mark npm test, exclamation mark git status, exclamation mark ls-la. The output gets added to conversation context. So Claude can see it, but the command runs immediately without approval. It even has tab autocomplete from your previous commands. For background tasks, Claude can run any command asynchronously and keep working. Build processes, test suites, dev servers, all running in the background with unique task IDs you can check on later. The slash btw command is brand new and brilliant. While Claude is working on a long task, type slash btw followed by your question. It opens a side channel. Claude answers in a pop-up overlay using your full conversation context but with zero tool access. The answer never enters your conversation history. Press escape and Claude keeps working like nothing happened. It's the inverse of a subagent. A subagent gets full tools but empty context. Slash btw gets full context but no tools. Perfect for quick questions like what was that file name or which function did we change. Claude Code has a full Vim editing mode. Type slash Vim to enable it. You get all the core Vim motions, HJKL for navigation, WBE for word jumping, DD to delete lines, CW to change words, text objects like IDAW and I parenthesis, F and T for character jumping, even dot to repeat the last change. It's the full Vim experience right inside your Claude Code prompt. If you're a Vim user, this will feel like home. The task list feature helps Claude stay organized on complex work. When working on multi-step projects, Claude creates a task list visible in your terminal status area. Press Ctrl+T to toggle it. Tasks show what's pending, in progress, and complete. They persist across context compactions, so Claude doesn't lose track, even on very long sessions. You can share task lists across sessions by setting an environment variable. A few more features worth knowing. Prompt suggestions appear as grayed out text after each response, suggesting natural next steps based on your conversation. Press Tab to accept. The symbol triggers file path autocomplete, so you can reference files inline. /theme lets you customize colors, including colorblind, accessible themes. The PR review status shows a clickable link in the footer with color-coded review state. Green for approved, yellow for pending, red for changes requested. And multiline input works with \enter, option enter, or shift enter depending on your terminal. Those are the most important interactive mode features in Claude Code. Subscribe for more deep dives that turn you into a power user.